Hey guys, today we're back with another video, and today we are going to be reviewing the Piratix Shark Treasure Shark Cave. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, see on the packaging, Hunter, Captain Hunter Jack there. You can see advertising the Skull Cave, which I've got here. The steps, which I will look at. And the contents, so you get one shark cave, one exclusive treasure, one monster crab, one Captain Hunter, one weapon, and one scepter. So let's open it. The opening on this skull cave wasn't actually too bad. You only had to cut like one or two things. Interestingly, they secured this with this like paper stringy stuff. Like it's weird. But this one, they used zip ties for the skull cave, so that's an interesting discrepancy. For anyone curious, I found these at the Entertainer in Colchester. They do have more. They also have a Kraken ship, so yeah. Don't watch this like 5 years in the future and be upset they don't have the Kraken ship, because they only had one. So. What else do I need to do? I can't quite just... Oh gosh. I can't pull it out just yet. I think they're probably going to have ties on this one as well, but... Do I need to do something else? Oh, ties at the back. Right. Oh gosh. Come on. Right. Ugh. Right then. Oh, and then we've got red ties, which I think, yeah, that looks like it's being used on the inside. Right then. There we are. Right then. So, step 1. Find the combination. Right. So if we do that, I'm pretty sure. Oh, so yeah, this one opens from the front, doesn't it? So, right then, nice. Gonna make it a bit more of a painter review, but sure. Glad they are different. Release the crab to get the treasure. Sweet, let's like scare or something. And now you need to scurry away. And now you need to scurry away. Now we got it. So, oh yeah, treasure. So, oh, this one's not moulded with the Piratix logo. It's still cheaply made, like the monster spider. Oh, there they are, next to each other. Nice. Right then, what does it want us to do now? Oh, there's a shark there. Let's see. Because we've had the treasure now. What does it want us to do with the treasure? Discover the secret room. It's not really secret if you're telling me to discover it, but yeah, alright. How do you do this? Yeah, it is on a hinge. Oh, it's open. And... oh my gosh, guys, we've got an ultra rare. Paper... we got paper! Oh, wow. No, I'm joking, of course. This should have Captain Hunter in it. Fun fact about Captain Hunter, sometimes he's referred to as Captain Hunter Jack. Right then. Oh, come on. I'm having to rip the ultra rare paper to shreds. Pinnock. Here is Captain Hunter. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, yes, his hat came off as I was opening the paper. That's unfortunate. So a little bit of glue will do the job. Technically it's more accurate. Right, what do you want us to do now? Right, we freed the captain and his hat. Find the weapon and the shark scepter. Okay. Not very hard to find, they're literally just sitting there. Put the treasure on the scepter. Oh, let's have a look at the treasure. It's a nice crab. Good. Is it the same as Big Jules? I hope it's not. Where's Big Jules? Oh, okay, no, it is different. I'll compare that in a second. So, oh, yeah, there goes his hat again. Fun fact, Captain Hunter's head is a square. It's not even a square. Yeah, I'm gonna have to glue that, because that's really annoying me. Is the weapon the same as the last? No, it's crab claw, it's not a flame. Come on. And then, right, so, that's apparently it. But what I don't get, then, is what is this for? Oh, I think... Okay, you're not supposed to just pull this down, you're supposed to... Oh, okay, that makes sense. Whoops. Anyways. Let's take a look at the outside of the cave, shall we? There we go. Nice. Is this the same as the Skull Cave? No, it's not. That's good. That's good. I think it used some elements, but it's not the same. Oh, very nice. Actually, yeah, I need to compare this, don't I? So... they are both shark scepters. Big Jaws is here, Hunter's is here. Similar, but they're not the same, which is good. So, moral of the story, be careful when you're opening the paper. Or else Captain Hunter's head will turn into a square. Come on. No, wait, no, that's wrong. Well then, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!